Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file annual tax return. First, gather all necessary documents, including your W-2 forms from employers and any 1099 forms for other income sources. Don't forget to collect statements for potential deductions, such as mortgage interest or student loan interest. Having your Social Security number and a copy of your previous year's return readily available will also streamline the process. This initial step is crucial for accuracy. Once your documents are organized, calculate your total gross income from all sources. Next, identify all eligible deductions that can reduce your taxable income, such as contributions to an IRA or health savings account. Remember to explore various tax credits, like the child tax credit or education credits, which directly reduce the amount of tax you owe. This step helps ensure you only pay what's truly required. Now it's time to complete your tax forms. You can choose to use tax preparation software, hire a professional, or fill out paper forms yourself. Carefully transfer all your financial data, including income and deductions, to the appropriate lines on your chosen forms. Before submitting, thoroughly review your entire return for any potential errors or omissions. Double-checking ensures accuracy and helps avoid future issues. Finally, submit your completed tax return by the deadline, which is typically April 15th. If you owe taxes, make sure to pay them on time to avoid penalties. If you're due a refund, consider setting up direct deposit for quicker access to your funds. Remember to keep copies of all your tax documents for at least 3 years. Also, for a fresh car scent, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.